Hello there. Welcome to the next channel, which is all about sewing from basics to advanced. Today we're going to start our dress. Okay, so now these are the things that I've done already. I've sewn my belt, as I told you last week. It's a contrast, so that one is done and ready to go. I've done the facing for the dress, and I'm going to walk you through the dart and the skirt. I've done the side seams and I'm going to do the center back. Also, I've done the straps for the shoulder, and also I put a snap under one of the straps to talk to you about it. This one is narrow, so it's not necessary, but whenever you're sewing a wider straps, this will be a good idea. It's hard to see. Okay, let me open it up. You sew what do you call it, snap, and then the other end you sew chain stitch. So you slot your bra straps in there and then you close it so that your straps will stay. Let me see, hold on. Okay, then I think you can see it here better with the yellow background. Okay, so that's the strap, the snaps. Okay, so you sew one at one end, and then you don't cut the thread, you just slide it under the fabric and bring it to the other end, and you sew chain stitch, and then you end up with the closing piece, okay, for your bra. Okay, now I'm gonna go to the machine and I'm gonna continue from there after all the mess up. Okay, see you in the bed. Okay, I'm gonna sew the back dart and the front dart. I sewn one already, so okay, this is the front dart. Okay, there we go. I've sewn that with you guys over and over, so it's not new. I'm gonna sew the I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I've done the side seam, the dart, and put on the front strap, but I'll talk to you more about it at the table. I'm gonna stitch the center back 1 inch, then I'll go to the table and talk to you more about it. This is a very simple dress. for both beginners to advanced. And all my seam allowance at the side, I'm pressing it all towards the back. I'm not opening any seam allowance. Just the center back I'm gonna open. All the rest of the seams I'm gonna serge it together and press it towards side seam. And then again, center back, I'm gonna open it up. And this zipper calls for it calls for lap zipper, not center zipper that I sew all the time. This is lap zipper. So let's go back to the table and then I'll talk to you more about it. So hold on. Okay, this is the center back, and as I said, my seam allowance is 1 inch. This is the side seam. As I said, I put the seam together and I'm going to press it towards center back. That's for the skirt. Now, this is the top of the dress. And the dart, I press it towards the center back. That's the back of it. And that's my seam. I'm going to serge it together and press it towards center back. This is the front. And as I said, I put the straps, the front one on. I'm going to try it on. And then by next week, I would know exactly how much I had to sew to the back before I join into the skirt. Okay? And if you're going to do the snap, make sure you do the snap under the strap that is going to face your body. Okay? That is touching your body. You do the snap at the bottom of the strap. So let me bring the camera up. This is the end of the video. As I said, this is a very simple dress, so it's straightforward. Okay, so this is the end of the video. Happy sewing. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next week. Thank you. Bye-bye. See ya.